Poco X4 Pro 5G mobile was launched on the 28th of February 2022. The phone comes with a 6.43-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Poco X4 Pro 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Poco X4 Pro 5G on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 108-megapixel primary camera with an f1.9 aperture, an 8-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a 2-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor. The Poco X4 Pro 5G runs MIUI 13, is based on Android 11 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card, up to 1 TB/GB. The Poco X4 Pro 5G